prenuptial agreement, or a prenup, is an agreement a couple enters into before marriage that determines financial issues upon divorce or upon death. It can supersede or modify a state's law. There are three main reasons why a prenup is so important. First, you can protect assets that you otherwise couldn't protect, for example, a business. Second, if you get divorced, it makes that divorce simpler, less expensive, and less stressful. Third, a prenup negotiation can actually strengthen a marriage. It's amazing how many couples go into a marriage without talking about these very important issues. By talking about them and negotiating them up front and having clarity as to how you want to handle your financial issues, it can make things easier down the road. Different states have different requirements to make a prenup valid. In New York, where I practice, it's simple. The prenup needs to be in writing, signed in front of a notary, and the notary needs to sign a specific form acknowledging that the couple are who they say they are. While a prenup written on a napkin could technically be valid, the best practice to avoid being challenged later is that each side should have representation, that there be full and complete financial disclosure, and that the agreement not be one-sided and unfair. A prenup can cover property you own prior to your marriage, property you acquired during the marriage and how it's distributed upon divorce or death, maintenance, which is also known as alimony, and whether it'll be payable to your spouse upon divorce. What it doesn't cover are issues regarding future children, such as child support and custody. We really view the prenup negotiation as a collaboration. There are so many lawyers who don't differentiate between a divorce negotiation and a prenup negotiation. We recognize and are sensitive to the fact that this is a couple who's in love and who are starting their lives together, and we want the relationship to be strengthened and not weakened. We do that by coming to an agreement on the terms before anything is put into writing. Negotiation studies have shown that when both people are involved in creating the agreement, it's more likely to be accepted. Not surprisingly, it can be difficult for couples to talk about a hypothetical divorce. But if you can get through those conversations and reach an agreement that feels fair and equitable, it can actually strengthen your relationship and prevent future disputes down the road.